Chapter 18 Early Humans. Let's learn the early human, sources of our study, life of the early human, discovery of fire, farming and shelter, and invention of wheel. When did man come on the earth? Where did he live and what did he do? These are some questions which do not have proven answers. There is no written record of the events of that period because this time period existed long before writing was even invented. So, we have obtained the knowledge of that period mainly through evidences collected in archaeological findings, which can only indicate a period spreading out to thousands of years. The early human. The early humans appeared on the earth a long time ago. They evolved from hominids, and their earliest remains have been found in Africa. The early humans appeared about 40,000 years ago. They did not know how to make houses or to grow crops. They were afraid of natural things such as thunder and lightning and lived in groups. Sources of our study. The sources of our knowledge about early humans are cave paintings, remains of shelters, archaeological excavations. Brain tickler. How did early humans communicate with each other? Info hive. Humans are still evolving rapidly. Cave paintings. Cave paintings have been found in some parts of the world. These paintings are very old and were made by early humans. They are mainly about animals and hunting scenes.
They are helpful to us as we come to know about the life of the early humans through them.
Remains of shelters. The houses of hominids were usually campsites, within caves or in the open air, with little in the way of formal structures to live in. Brain tickler. Where do modern humans come from? Archaeological excavations. Archaeological excavation is the process of digging a particular area to find out the remains of historical relevance. These digs tell us that the early humans had no knowledge of metals. Their tools were simple and made of stones, wood and bones. Life of the early human. Scientists believe that the earliest humans may have used caves as shelters. They probably ate naturally growing vegetables and gathered seeds, fruits, nuts and other edible plants. They were food gatherers. Later scientists think that meat was added to the diet as small animals were hunted. Eventually, humans hunted large animals when they developed weapons made of stones, rocks and bones. The early humans did not wear clothes. They did not know how to make clothes, so they used leaves and animal skins to cover their bodies. It protected them from the cold and heat. Discovery of fire. One day, early humans saw a fire breaking out in the jungle. They were afraid of fire. They noticed that animals were afraid of fire too. One fine day, they saw sparks when they rubbed two pieces of stones while making new stone tools. The dry leaves and grass lying nearby caught fire. It is believed this is how they learned to make fire. They found that the fire protected them from the cold as well as wild animals.
They started learning the uses of fire.
They could now roast the flesh of animals they hunted by placing it on fire and make it tastier. Farming and shelter. The early man might have noticed plants growing in the neighborhood. He might have seen the seeds that fell on the ground sprouting and growing into plants. He started sowing seeds to grow plants. This was the beginning of farming. Thus the early man became a food producer from a food gatherer. Brain tickler, which was the first human civilization on earth. This was the beginning of a settled life. The early man began to live at one place to tend to the farms.
Now he felt he no longer needed to go in search of food. So he grew crops, stored the surplus grains, and made baskets and wooden casks to store the grains.
This was the beginning of a community life, and villages came into existence. Sometimes they had to walk long distances on foot. They had to carry heavy loads on their back or shoulders. They also used animals to carry the load. Invention of wheel. The early man had to walk long distances. He used animals to carry things from one place to another. Someone must have noticed logs of wood floating on water. So the early man got the idea of making rafts. On land, he used sledges which could move only on smooth or level ground. Early men found that round pieces of tree trunks rolled easily. They fitted these to their carts. Now they could move the carts easily, even on uneven ground. These were the first wheels. Now traveling on roads became easier and faster. The invention of the wheel also led to the invention of potter's wheel, which was used for making earthen pots. Recap. Early humans are called hominids. Cave paintings, remains of shelters, and archaeological excavations are our sources of information about hominids. Initially, hominids were food gatherers, and then they became food producers. Their tools were made of stones, rocks, and bones. Invention of wheel made traveling and carrying loads easy. Values for life. If early man could invent fire and something as important as wheel when he had scarce resources and limited knowledge to do so, we today surely can invent a lot of things if we had the same earnestness and patience as our ancestors possessed.